This is a clip information file. It lives on Blu-ray discs. It contains the metadata for the video stream, like timestamps. It is not the video itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the structure. To quickly determine if the CLPI file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. A CLPI file is a Blu-ray clip information file. It contains metadata about the associated .m2ts video file, including information such as the video and audio codecs used, the duration of the clip, and the chapter points. This file is essential for Blu-ray players to properly play and navigate the video content. CLPI files are structured according to the Blu-ray Disc Association specifications. They are typically found in the BDMV CLIPINF directory of a Blu-ray disc. The file contains binary data organized in a specific format that describes the properties of the corresponding M2TS video stream. Players use this information to decode and present the video correctly. Blu-ray player software developed by Blu-ray Disc Association is often used as the source validator for CLPA. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows may open the video instantly, but detailed frame-by-frame editing requires a dedicated program. We'll systematically check the compatibility list. Right-click your CLPI file, then click Open With. Test Blu-ray player software if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This organized testing is vital. When your CLPI file does not open, it is usually a small issue. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, recognize the file type. Understand that .CLPI files are metadata files used by AVCHD camcorders and contain no video data itself. Next, open the corresponding video. Find the corresponding MTS or M2TS video file in the same folder and open that file instead. Finally, use Conversion Tool. Use a video converter tool to convert the MTS-M2TS file to a guaranteed compatible format like MP4. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagic. This software is available at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.